ADC's Advantage Connect home blood pressure monitors can be paired with a smartphone using a Bluetooth connection and our free ADC at-home app. This includes the 6024N, an upper arm model, and the 6115, a wrist unit. Once paired, data from your monitor will be sent to the app automatically whenever you take a reading or when your monitor and app are next connected. You don't have to use the app if you don't want to. The 6024N and 6115 both work as traditional standalone monitors. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar and type in ADC at Home and select the ADC at Home app. Choose whether or not you want the app to send you notifications. Then, if prompted, allow the app to find Bluetooth devices. Tap Create Account and fill out the required fields. Read and accept the terms and conditions and tap Create Account. You are now ready to take a reading. Make sure the app is open and your phone's Bluetooth is on and discoverable. For help with this step, see our related videos Getting Started with the ADC at-Home 6115 wrist blood pressure unit or the ADC Advantage Connect 6024N Getting Started. When ready, press the on-off button to start the reading. When the reading is complete, the Bluetooth icon will begin to flash. If prompted, click Pair. The results will appear on the display. No phone? No problem. You can still take readings. Your monitor will store the readings until next time you're connected and will upload the readings in chronological order. If you had taken readings before setting up the app, they'll be synced the first time you pair. Once the pairing is complete, the monitor will automatically sync your phone anytime you take a reading and have the app open to the home screen. If a new reading isn't syncing, check to make sure your monitor and app are set to the same user number. If not, change the monitor back to the correct user and repeat the measurement. To sync without taking a reading, open the app and press the Set button on the 6024N or the On-Off button on the 6115. Have more questions? Check out the Help Center in App Settings. To learn more about the in-app features, watch our Using the ADC at Home app video.